I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Did you notice how easy it is to speak Italian if you focus on the language structures? And how effortlessly you can learn Italian if you focus on studying just 10 to 15 minutes a day instead of forcing yourself to study for hours and hours on end? Now, if you liked what you saw in this free package, I want to let you know that I have a full 30-day beginner course that follows the same concepts that you have seen here. You get daily lessons, you start speaking Italian from day one, and you reach A1, A2 level after just 30 days by using the system of daily short study sessions and absorbing language structures. In fact, the program is designed to give you 7-minute audio lessons to listen to every day. And if you take the time to use the extra materials that come with the audio, you won't have to spend more than 15 to 30 minutes a day to reach these results. If you'd like to find out more about this course, I invite you to click on the button below to get all the course information and see if it's a good fit for you. In any case, thank you for going through this mini course with me. I hope you have learned a lot and I'd love to continue helping you with your Italian.